Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters, titas and titos. I am Astrella Gamalon, grade 11 from Manindolo National High School. Welcome. Please enjoy watching as I am giving you smart tips for brilliant writing. Number 1, have something to say. This make writing easy and faster. So, for example, meron kang ginagawang story. Sa story na yon, dapat meron kang subject para may focus ka. So, in that way, mapapadali yung ginagawa. Katulad din ng buhay natin, kailangan may focus. So, you must read widely. Take note. Choose your subjects widely and share your information with readers. Number 2 tips for brilliant writing. Be specific. For example, may ginagawa kang news report. Kailangan specific yung mga detalyeng ilalagay mo. Number 3, choose simple words. Huwag kang gumamit ng malalalim na salita. Write use instead of utilize. Write near instead of close proximity. Write help instead of facilitate. However, use longer words only if your meaning is so specific and no other word will do. Number 4, write short sentence. You should keep sentences short. For the same reason, you keep paragraph short. They are easier to read and understand. Kasi, pag masyadong mahaba ang binabasa ng mga readers natin, madali silang nabuboard. So, make it short, simple, but meaningful. Number 5, use the active voice. Active voice is the S, B, and O. S stands for subject. V stands for verb. O stands for object. Marami sa mga readers ang mas gusto nila ng active voice than the passive sentence. However, you cannot always use the active voice, but most writers should use it often. Thank you for watching. I hope you had learned something from me.